Hello students, today we are starting representation of data. How to represent the data in different forms. One is pictograph and second is bar graphs. In pictograph, as its name suggests, it is used to represent data using pictures or symbols. This is also a type of graph that is used to represent data using pictures or symbols. In this, we use pictures or symbols to represent the data. For example, let's consider the pictograph given below, which is showing the sale of apples during a week. We are given the sale of apples during a week. Here are given days and here are number of apples sold. On Monday, these apples are sold. Here the scale is taken as 50 apples. Scale is taken as 1 apple is equal to 50 apples. That is the shape of the figure of 1 apple is equal to 50 apple. 1 apple means 50 apples. So here is 3 apples. So it means that on Monday 150 apples are sold. On Monday 150 apples are sold. But if half apple is drawn, then it means 25, because full apple means 50 apples and half apple means 25 apples. So that is on Tuesday we can say that 225 apples were sold. So in this way we can give answers of so many questions, that is on which day maximum number of apples sold and on which day least number of apples are sold. Such type of questions can be answered. Next is bar graph. In a bar graph, it is also a type of graph that uses a length of vertical or horizontal bars to represent the data. In it, we form some bars, vertical or horizontal. They can also be called rectangles because they are in rectangular shape. So here is a bar graph. This bar graph is for the above pictograph, that is for sales of apples. On Monday 150 apples were sold. So here on Monday we have drawn 150, we have drawn a bar up to 150. So first of all, there are some important things in bar graph. One is this, that is scale. 1 unit is equal to 25 apples. We have taken interval of 25. The gap of 25 is taken. So this is 1 unit is equal to 25 apples. And this is x-axis. The horizontal line is called x-axis and the vertical line is called y-axis. On x-axis we have taken days of week and on y-axis number of apples sold. So these things are necessary. And then we will draw the bar graph. On Monday 150 apples were sold. So on Monday we have drawn the bar up to 150. Then on Tuesday 225 apples were sold. So on Tuesday we have drawn a bar up to 225. So in this way we can draw the bars for all the days of a week. So this is a bar graph. And we can give the answers of some questions like on which day minimum numbers of apples are sold, and on Saturday minimum number of apples are sold because its graph is the bar of Saturday is shortest. So this is minimum number of apples sold. In this way some other questions can also be answered. Next is double bar graph. There is one more graph, double bar graph. In this we draw double bars. Double bar graph is drawn to compare two data. It is drawn to compare two data. Look at the example given below here. Comparative marks of a test with preparation and without preparation of 5 students are displayed. Double bar graph is used when we want to compare the data. For example, if we want to compare your essay 1 marks and essay 2 marks. Let if we want to compare the essay 1 marks and essay 2 marks in every subject, then we can easily draw its double bar graph. And here double bar graph is made for the students of a test with the preparation and without preparation. First of all, we will take scale. 1 unit is equal to 5 marks. And then this is x-axis, this is y-axis. And here Rahul got 75 marks. So here is 70 and here is 80. 75 lies between 70 and 80. So this is graph. This is a bar that is drawn up to 75. And Rahul score 90 marks if we do preparation. This is without preparation and this is with the preparation. The dark blue bar represents with the preparation and light blue bar represents without preparation. Then similarly we can draw double bar graphs of Sohan, Mohan, Raj and Ravi. This is a double bar graph. Next is example. The maximum and minimum temperatures of various cities for a day are given below. Plot a double bar graph and answer the following questions. We are given a table of temperatures of cities, that is minimum temperature and maximum temperature. This is the temperature of a particular day and we have to draw double bar graph. Firstly, scale is to be taken. Scale is 1 unit is equal to 5 degrees Celsius and maximum temperature represents light blue color and minimum temperature represents by dark blue color. And then this is x-axis and this is y-axis. On x-axis we have taken cities, on y-axis we have taken temperature. And then here cities are written: Amritsar, Mumbai, Chennai, Delhi and Jaipur. In Amritsar, maximum temperature is 35 degrees Celsius. Maximum is represented by light blue color and 35 is here. So this is the bar of 35 degree temperature. And its minimum temperature is 20 degrees Celsius. So at 20 degrees Celsius, we will draw the bar up to 20. But if we want to draw a bar up to 31, this is 31 degrees Celsius and 31 is greater than 30. So slightly up, slightly more than 30, we will draw this bar. For Mumbai's maximum temperature, we will draw the bar slightly more than 30. And its minimum temperature is 24. 24 is less than 25. So its bar will be drawn slightly below 25. Slightly below 25. So in this way we can draw the double bar graph. And then we have to answer some questions. Which is the coldest city and which is the hottest city? Which is the coldest and which is the hottest city? The graph, it can be shown from the graph. The minimum temperature means coldest and maximum temperature means hottest day. Okay, so the coldest city will have minimum temperature. So minimum temperature is in Amritsar, that is 20. So Amritsar is the coldest city. And hottest city, for hottest city we have to see the maximum temperature. Maximum temperature is in Jaipur. So Jaipur is the hottest city. Next question is, name the city which has the least difference between the maximum and minimum temperatures. So in the graph we can see that Mumbai has the least difference between the maximum and minimum temperatures. So in this way you can do practice zone 1, both questions of practice zone 1. Thank you.